You require your debit card number, but you don't have your debit card with you right now. So what would you do? Well, we have a way. So let's see how we can do it. And I'm taking Wells Fargo's bank account as an example. You can do it for your bank also. Just type the name of your bank on the Google search results. And after that, open up the very first link that you'll see or the official website of your bank. And this way you will be redirected to the bank's website. After that, just sign up or sign into your account using your details, the password or username, then click on sign on. After logging into your account, you will be able to go to a section called account. There you would be able to see the details. Just click on it and you might be required to provide your security code in order to access your card number. But you would be able to get the debit card number online without the need of your card. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.